right, you guys, we are moving. Let's show you guys the house. It is pretty much empty. This is where we've spent the last 22 years. This is when we walked into this house when we first bought it. It was just me and my husband. And we are leaving with 4 children, 2 which are adults, and a lot of U-Hauls, trucks full of stuff. Anyway, over here is David's old room. Okay, he built that and stained it. So there's that. And then over here was my office. Used to be my office. All right, and when we leave the office, oh, I want to also mention this wall is made out of wood that my husband built years ago. And we actually had it different colors, and then Emma and David, my kids, decided to paint it like 2 years ago. So they painted that. And then over here used to be Lucas and Noah's room with the orange. And they had to share this little closet for ever since they were little, ever since they were born, pretty much. And now they each have huge walk-in closets, so that's exciting. Plenty of room to put everything. Now let's go down our hall. We've painted this hall so many times. This was like a little closet for like the broom and the vacuum and everything. But my husband used to keep his work clothes over there because we didn't have room in our closet to keep them. And then this was the master bedroom. We still have things in the backyard that they're taking to the dump today. But that's where our bed used to be. We had very high ceilings. We had vaulted ceilings. So that was always nice. And then our TV was up there. And then our bathroom was open, which my husband remodeled years ago, because this is not what it looked like. Again, that's all going to the dump. Hi. Yeah. And then this was our master closet. It was a decent size. Again, when we moved in, it was just like 2 rods. My husband customized this and built each shelf. He built them, which was great because we had a lot of things and it came in handy. Okay, so this is our guest bathroom slash Emma and David's bathroom, because we only had 2 bathrooms. That was difficult for 6 people. But this bathroom, my husband remodeled multiple times. Like, I can't even tell you, maybe 3-4 times, like ripped everything out and redid it. And this is what he did a couple years ago, and I absolutely love it. He did an amazing job. And yeah, that was their shower. It's just hard when like you're actually using what's supposed to be your guest bathroom like as your everyday bathroom. It's really hard because you have to keep it extra clean and stuff. But yeah, this is it. And fun fact, with 3 of my kids, I took my pregnancy test in this bathroom and found out I was pregnant. And one was in a Target bathroom because I couldn't wait. I brought the pregnancy test, and went to the Target bathroom and found out. But anyway, that's just extra information. Okay, and then when we go over here, this is where our laundry room was. Nothing too exciting. Our machines did not go with the house, so we got to keep those. And that's it. So once we take everything else from the yard to the dump and stuff, I'll show you guys outside. And I've shown on my YouTube channel before outside. But this is our beautiful starter home that we ended up living in for 22 years, you guys. Our starter home was not just a starter home. So yeah, I'll be right back once we take everything to the dump, and I'll show you the rest. Before I show you guys outside, let's show you our living room, our dining room, our beautiful kitchen, and then our mantle. That's where our TV used to be. Pantry number 1. Pantry number 2, and this is where our fridge was. So this is it. We left, they had some mail forwarded here, so we are going to have that out for them. We left keys and all that, and then a little care package. All right, so we are outside. My husband built that fireplace and that fence to the left as well. And then also this beautiful deck that we enjoyed for long, long summer days. They're just finishing packing everything. He built that shed as well. And that is it. We are gonna close her up and say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A new chapter is starting and we're super excited, and we will see you guys next time.